Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Roy J. Matthijs and I'm an amateur card magician. Today on my channel I'm going to be doing something different. As you can tell from the bars on the side of my video, I'm going to be doing a reaction today. This is a project for a long time coming, ever since about mid to late August. I'm going to be reacting to Peter Barber's cover of the Game of Thrones main theme. Peter Barber is a professional opera singer, a music producer, and bass vocalist. He's got his own YouTube channel where he does reactions and analyzing. He's also one of 4 members of the Bass King, an a cappella group, and he's also an overall nice guy. Something a little bit different with this reaction. I'm going to be reacting to it in 5.1 surround sound. A small explanation about 5.1 surround sound. I'm going to do that right now. 5.1 surround sound is where 5 different channels of audio comes from the system. There is the center channel, the front, left and right channels, surround sound left and right, and of course the subwoofer. Each of these channels is a different area of sound or different angle that the audio can come from. It's very ideal for movies, especially action movies. As you can see from the picture, it's best set up in a surrounding formation to give ultimate impact for ultimate experience. Background story with this video. What happened is I did check out the premiere for this video, and I did watch it with my old surround sound system. I was telling everybody in the chat that I was going to be doing that I was doing this, and everybody thought it was cool, including Peter. And the topic of conversation turned to my subwoofer, but I had to tell everyone that it was busted, and everybody said, "Oh, you got to get that replaced as soon as possible." But I ended up telling everyone that my system was dying of slow death, so I ended up having to get a brand new system. So later on Peter's Discord, he asked me, once I do get a new system, would you tell me how it sounds? And I said, "Oh, do you want better? I'll record my reaction." And he said, "Oh, that'd be great." So now that I have a new system, I figured, okay, I'm going to record a reaction. I want to share it with you guys as well. For those of you, this is your first time here on my channel. Thank you for coming by. If you are a returning viewer, thank you for coming back. Before I get started with the reaction, please give a like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, and click the notification bell so that you know every time I go live and when I post. Also, I'm going to be leaving the link to the original video so that you can check it out on your own. And also, I'm going to leave the link to Peter's channel so you can check him out with his videos and also his content as well. Okie dokie, without further ado, let's get into this reaction. Okay. Oh man, I am so excited. Since I will be watching this in surround sound, I will be muting my mic. So if I do forget to mute my mic, I do apologize ahead of time. Uh, so um, uh, let's go ahead and get on with this. Wow. Oh. Oh my word. Oh wow, that's powerful. Wow. Oh man, that's powerful. Oh wow. Okay, I'm gonna rewind that back, and I'm gonna get a feel because that just kind of whooshed me right over because that just hits you like a two by four, especially in this setting. I'm gonna take a listen to how what it sounds like in the surround sound speakers, and tell you how what's going on with that, and um, and go from there. Wow. Okay. Okay. Uh, um, here in the surround sound speakers, it's shh, and then the da da dums going on. Everything else is um, the front uh, the front speakers. As soon as I heard that boom, that's complete subwoofer. Wow, wow, Peter. Oh, uh, um, I forget who uh, arranged this. No, I know Peter arranged it, but who did the um, uh, uh, did the uh, uh, okay, some more. Okay, there they are. Uh, Mixing engineer Johnny Stewart. Ah, yes. Uh, um, uh, mastering engineer Dave Sparandio, and of course video editor Marwan Aman. Of course, had never misses a trick. Great video editor. Okay, Johnny Stewart. I believe he sings for the Wellerman. I'm familiar with that name. I don't know who Dave is, but did a wonderful job. Awesome. Uh, great, great job. Okay, just back it up just a little bit. Okay, uh, let's pick up to where we left off. Wow. Oh, oh, oh. Wow. You could rattle your floor with that power. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh, oh wow. Um, oh, of course my sound system's not like movie theater strength, but take my word for it. If it was this power, if this was to be like in a theater, oh my goodness. Mm. Talk about rattling the walls. Oh my word. Oh my goodness, this is good. Oh, okay. Let's go ahead and go back just a little bit. goodness. All the I'm hearing are coming purely from back back here. Oh my gosh, it's so much to take in. Oh my word. Uh, Dang, with Peter's arrangement and the mixing of Johnny and the mastering of Dave and Marwan's editing. Oh, just awesome. Oh, goodness gracious. Man, that's good. Oh, can't get enough of it. Oh. I know, paused it in a really bad place. Oh, oh, just that. Um, um, Man, what was I gonna say? Uh, um, those high notes are coming from the surround sound, and likewise the perk, um, and all those bass notes are just landing right on the subwoofer. Oh, it's so good. All right, let's go ahead and continue on. That was interesting. I heard from the uh, left surround. I'm wondering if that happened with just the left side in general. I was just hearing dun 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 part just on the left side. I didn't hear it on the right. I'm gonna go back and check that out again. Wow. Wow. Oh, man. Oh, my word. Oh, oh my goodness gracious. If that won't rock your world, my word. Oh my goodness gracious. Um, yeah, that with that high C, that hit nothing but the front channels. Um, uh, but yeah, uh, that one part of the da da dums that was just hitting the surround left speaker, but with the surround speakers, I'm kind of just hearing the those tuplets, belt tuplet. No, they're not bell tones. The ba da dum ba da dum ba da dum, and then the cymbal crashes. The I would hear the bumps at the front, and then the cymbal crash back here. Uh, Ingenious mixing, and then that last bass note that's purely the front speakers and the subwoofer with those tuplets here in the back. Oh, wonderful, wonderful, wonderful job. Okay, I'm gonna play those last two sections um, where he goes up. Peter goes up to that really high C. That's a soprano high C. I know, hard to believe that a man goes that high. I swear, Peter. And then drops 5 octaves down to a C1. Um, I, oh gosh, for for those of you that follow Peter's channel, he uh, he gives a special status to those uh, to bass singers that hit an extremely low note. Uh, it's what he calls pit viper status, and because what he has is sunglasses that are known as pit vipers. Um, Fortunately, I was able to get a pair of sunglasses a lot like them. Um, these are let me change camera views so you can get a better look at these. There we go. These are not pit vipers. These are top rivers. They look a lot like them, a lot like them. Uh, but I was hoping to get pit vipers, but uh, I'm gonna treat them like pit vipers. I honestly think Peter deserves pit viper status. Uh, um, I don't have pit vipers, so I'm gonna give you uh, what how uh, what I can try to give pit vipers for hitting that C1 right there at the end. On Peter's channel, what he would do when a bass hits an extremely low note, like the C1 that he hit right there at the end, he would put sunglasses on like just like these, right as he hits that low note. So what I'm gonna do in honor for Peter is I'm gonna put these on right as he hits that C1. All right, all right. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. This is for you, Peter. Okay, that's okay. Oh, I want to mute my microphone. Wow. Oh, that was so good. Oh my word, Peter. Oh, great, great job. Bravo, bravissimo. Great job uh, uh, to Peter, uh, David, Marwan. Oh gosh, I want to call him John. I hope that's his name. Man, I feel bad. Johnny. Okay, I was close. um, okay. Oh man, this was a pleasure to react to. Oh my gosh, this was so much fun to enjoy in um, in 5.1 surround sound. Uh, uh, this was an absolute pleasure. Great job, Johnny. Great job, Dave and Marwan, as always, and wonderful arrangement, Peter. You guys did an incredible job, and it was an absolute pleasure to listen to this in surround sound. Um, Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember to give a like, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Click on the notification bell so that you know every single time I go live. I do card tricks every single time I go live. Feel free to check out my tricks here on my channel. If you like the reaction I did here today, please leave a comment below. And leave a comment on what else you would like to see me react to in surround sound. Like I said, I've checked out a couple of videos by the Bass Gang. I've checked out Hide and Seek and Bones. A couple of things by Marwan, and but not much. I hope you guys have a nice day. Take care.